Hi Courtney, so here's some examples just as requested, just to help you out with the questions a wee bit. So if you remember, you've got the distance, speed, time triangle. So D for distance goes on the top, it always goes on the top. So you can put a wee divide in here, a divide there, and you can put a times. So it's really helpful if you can remember this triangle here. Now if you want to work out how far someone's travelled, that's the distance. So you cover up distance. So distance is equal to speed times time. So that's what I've got here, distance equals speed times time. If you want to work out how fast somebody's travelling, that's their speed, you cover up speed. So that is distance divided by time. So speed equals distance divided by time. And if you want to find out how long it's taken someone to do a journey, that's T for time. So time is distance divided by speed. So I've got that down here. So you've got your three formulae all come from the one triangle. In this first question, we've got 3 bits of information we need to know. Jim runs 6 kilometres. Now 6 kilometres is a distance, so I can fill that in, 6 kilometres. And it takes him 2 hours. Now that's a time, not speed. So the third bit of information that we don't know, what is his speed? So that's what we've got to find out. So it's a speed formula we've got to look at. So you cover up speed, and that is distance divided by time. I've got that written down here as well. So what you do is you write down speed equals distance divided by time. So distance is 6 kilometres, dividing by 2 is the time, and you get 3. Now it's a speed, so it's going to be in kilometres per hour, this one. Now he's not running very fast if it's only 3 kilometres per hour, but that's still how you do it. Right, for number 2, it tells you that Sonny cycles 10 kilometres, so 10 kilometres is a distance, so I'm going to fill that in, D for distance. D equals 10 kilometres. It's an average speed of 20 kilometres per hour, so that's a speed. I thought I was going to write down the wrong thing there, but I haven't. How long does it take him? And that's a time that we're looking for, so that's T. So time is the thing that we don't know. So you go back to your formula, triangle, you cover up T for time, and it's distance divided by speed. And you can see I've got it written down there as well. So T equals D divided by S. Distance is 10, divided by 20, and that gives me 0.5. Now that's in hours, 0.5 hours. Now 0.5 just means a half. So that's the same as saying 30 minutes. So 0.5 hours, half an hour, or 30 minutes. Then the last one, Frank runs at 5 kilometres per hour. Now, kilometres per hour, that's going to be a speed. So 5 kilometres per hour. He runs for 3 hours, that's a time. How far does he run? So that's the distance that we don't know. We've got to work that one out. So for distance, you cover up distance, that is speed times time. That's it written there. So distance equals speed times time. D equals S times T. So your speed is 5, your time is 3, and you get 15. Now it's in kilometres because it's kilometres per hour the speed, so the distance is going to be in kilometres. And that's how you do them. So you just got to pick the right formula from the triangle, figure out which one it is that you're trying to actually work out, put your numbers into the equation and carry out the calculation. Let me know if you need any more help with that.